kids, it's Evan here, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing another thing. So, I got these things, got some coloring things, and I've got these. So we're going to make paper water towels for you guys today. If you're interested, and kids, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give me a big thumbs up. So, what you're going to need to do is these are the things you're going to need. One of these little paper towels. I got 2 of them for you guys. A couple markers. Obviously, these aren't really markers, but that's all I found. And you're going to need a sink right here for you guys. Just one. Okay, so you can use any colors you like. Okay, I'm going to start off with black. Don't push too hard on it. Just go nice and easy. Just don't push like, this is what happens on the other one. I'm just drawing. This may look crappy right now, but when it's finished, it'll look really good. Trust me. And this isn't for kids. Okay, I've got most of the black. Got this. Obviously, don't get on the counter. Okay, I'll start off with that. And you can do it on your other one like this. You can put it anywhere you like. There's no right or wrong way. This is a little science experiment. Right here. So this is what I got so far. This one right here. Doesn't look that good. And this is the other one right here. Now I'm going to probably start with a yellow. You know what? I don't want green. Just keep drawing all over it. This is a really interesting experiment for you guys. So, it's looking a bit different now, but still not as good. Start on my other one. Highlighters work too, by the way. If you kids didn't know. And this is an experiment to try at home. So this is the next layer right here and here. And before you water it, get a bit of paper towels to put on that. Now I'm just going to put the yellow. Oh, this red's really not working, but that's okay. It actually does kind of work a little bit. Let's just like this. This is an awesome experiment for kids to do at home. Like I said, just keep drawing. Don't get them on the counter. It's okay if you accidentally do though. So I'm just going to put a bit more to make it more interesting. Now I've used all my colors, and this is what I end up with on the first one. And this is what I ended up with on the second one. Now, if I were you, I wouldn't put it under the water yet. So what I would do is get a couple paper towels like this. Maybe 6. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what? I think 4 should be good. Now, you're going to put them over the area right here. Like this. Now you've got your set here. To make it easier, you should probably make it like this. Now this is the interesting part. Shift camera the right way. Sorry, I'm not so good at holding the camera. Like that. And watch, just put it under the sink. Don't put it full blast though. Maybe put it around like here. And it should turn out really good. A little bit more. Got my thing. Drip all the water out. Make it a dribble. Like this. Now put it on top like this. And then wait for it to dry. And then, if you have another one, do the exact same thing. Use your dribble on it with the sink water. Maybe a little bit more. We'll try this. Be sure to try to get all around it. And you can check out my other videos too, which is gaming stuff. I just wanted to try something new for you. Like this. Now you can turn it off if you have more. And just keep doing the exact same thing if you have more. Okay? Dribble. Let's put the water in the sink. Then make it stand out. Maybe. And you don't, this is optional for you, but if you want, just push them together so they stick together and look really good. And just wait about like 5 minutes and then they should be good. So, this is what they look like so far. See how I smushed them together? Oh, sorry. Like this now, so it's pretty interesting. I'm still gonna let it dry though. So I hope you like this video, everyone. Remember, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell when you hit it. And give me a big thumbs up, kids. Bye.